In this video, we'll guide you through performing an asset inspection using Survey123 while switching from an NFC reader to a Bluetooth RFID reader. To begin, open the Survey123 app, locate and press the Launch Read RFID tile. In the upper right-hand corner, press the Start button. By default, the system is using the built-in NFC reader, but we need to switch to a Bluetooth reader. Press Change Reader. Next, disable NFC by pressing on the NFC option, then select External Reader. Since we have previously paired the external reader with this device, select the appropriate entry. Press outside of the Preferences menu to return to the main screen. Then, press OK to proceed. The connected TSL reader details will now appear at the bottom of the screen, showing the brand, serial number, and battery level. Press OK to confirm. Now, aim the Bluetooth RFID reader at the feature you want to inspect and pull the trigger. The tag information will pop up. Press on the displayed entry to proceed. This will bring up the feature's form. Scroll to the inspection section and fill out the required details. Once you've completed the form, press the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner and then tap Send Now. Congratulations, you have successfully completed an asset inspection while switching from an NFC reader to a Bluetooth RFID reader.